Hi guys, so I'm back with a little bit of a different video today. As you can see from the title of this video, I will attempt to copy a very professional, amazing goddess's makeup look that she created on YouTube a couple of years back. Her name is Carli Bybel and I love watching her videos. What she does is mind-blowing. So I recently purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette and I was looking for some inspiration on YouTube to see what could I do with this palette. And now that I have it, and I came across Carli's video where she did the most amazing makeup look with it, and I would like to try to recreate her look today, but as a bit of a challenge and comparison to see what we can do with my Makeup Revolution Division palette and my Makeup Revolution Forehead Eyeshadow in Retreat. We're gonna try to recreate it using this palette instead of the Subculture one, because using the Subculture I already have in plan a different makeup look. Today's video is gonna be a very wearable green smoky eye. I have green eyes, I'm wearing a green shirt, so I hope it's gonna look good on me. So I'm just gonna insert some clips of what she does and we're gonna try to follow it step by step. So as you can see, first she starts off using this olive green shade in her crease. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush similar to hers and I'm gonna take that olive color and apply it to my crease. She's got one eye ready already, but I'm gonna be doing this look on both in the same time. I feel like she doesn't have as much crease on her eyelid as I do. Okay, now let's do the other one. Okay, so after the green shade, she goes in with an orange shade above it. I'm not exactly sure why she's not using the orange shade from this palette, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna take this color here in the corner, which is very similar orange shade to what she's using, and we're gonna put it above the green, focusing on the outer corner. Definitely need more product than she did, but mind you, she was using one of the most pigmented palettes on earth, so okay, so this is where we are so far. Let's see what's the next step. She's holding up the same green shade that we used before. Okay, so she just took a smaller brush like this petite crease brush, and basically what she did is, using this green shade, she just carved out the outer V a bit more. So I'm gonna do the same. Alright, let's see what's happening next. Okay, so she took Rowdy, which is like a dark purple shade, and she took it with a smaller flat brush like this, and she just applied a little bit of that shade to finish the bottom of the V. Okay, so we're gonna go into that. This palette is this color, and I just dipped my brush into it, and I'm just gonna tap it on. Does it look like hers? Do I look like her? Now she goes back with concealer and she applies the concealer on the whole inner half of her eye. Applying it. Okay, and now the other eye. Alright, not too shabby. Okay, so now what is she doing? She was putting on some like a gold shade, just tapping it on. Okay, so instead of that gold shade she's doing, I actually want to use my foiled shadow in Retreat because I think this is gonna look amazing. So I'm gonna take some of the product. It comes with this little primer, but I don't really care for that because I guess if you were applying it for like all over the eye then it would make sense, but for this makeup look I don't think you need it. So ooh, it's looking really nice. The only issue is that it's quite a similar color to the rest of the eye look. I'm gonna go back on top of this with some lighter shade, but yeah, this is how I'm looking so far. So as you can tell, it's beautiful, but it's not light enough. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a different shade to try to lighten it up. Okay, so I just grabbed my highlighter palette and I'm gonna be putting this champagne shade. Okay, that's better. Okay, now she went back for the white shade. So now we're gonna use this shade here and just pack it on. Okay, this shade is probably not as pigmented as hers because it doesn't want to go on anything like hers. Put some setting spray on my brush and try again. Okay, I think that's all we can achieve with this. Okay, so now she goes back with another blending brush and she now takes the yellow shade from this palette. So we're gonna go for this mustard shade now, and basically she puts that where we put the orange before and blends it all together. My one started looking a bit muddy. I don't know if I put too much product on before. Okay, so now she goes back to deepen up the outer corner. So we're gonna use this darker green shade to do that. I'm actually gonna mix that shade with this green shade. Okay, I really feel like we have enough eyeshadow now. Okay, so now she goes back with a white shade she found somewhere. And then I'm going to apply the white shade from this palette, this highlighter palette, on my brow bone. Okay, now I look like a complete idiot, so that's cool. Now she does her eyeliner. I can do that, I have an eyeliner. So we're gonna go back now and I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna apply the inner corner highlighter with this little applicator sponge. And now we're ready to clean up. Okay, so now she goes on with the falsies. I normally really dislike falsies because I feel like they just feel terrible, but I guess if I want to follow her video then I will need to apply mine, so I'm gonna be using this Ardell Wispies. I think they're quite similar to hers. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just waiting for my lash glue to set. I can see that now she's moving on to the under eye with the green shade. I don't actually know if I have any clean brushes left. Okay, so now she moved on to mascara. Okay, and now she does a white eyeliner, so I'm gonna use my Essence white eyeliner. Okay, so I hope that this liner looks similar to what she's wearing. As far as I'm concerned, this is the finished look. Now she moved on to doing the rest of her face, but I've done that already, so this is guys, what do you think? I mean, I definitely wouldn't say that this is the most amazing makeup I've done in my life. It's definitely me stepping out of my comfort zone because I don't normally wear falsies, I don't normally wear this much eye makeup, but I think it looks really nice, so maybe I should. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay guys, thank you for being here. If you think it looks nice, please give it a thumbs up and I will try to do some makeup like this in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.